Welcome back, children. So we are going to continue with the next lesson, that is chapter 9, nouns number. So in the last video I told you about nouns and different kinds of nouns, isn't it? Nouns are the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And we have discussed the 4 different types of nouns. I hope you all are remembering it. Okay. Next is nouns number. Nouns number. Number means what? We count, isn't it? Different things we count. When something is 1, we say that it is singular, isn't it? In English we have singular and plural nouns. That is, when something is 1, we say it is singular. Only one thing is there, that's singular. If this is a pen, isn't it? Pen. If I have one more pen with me, we will say pens, isn't it? So, one pen and 2 pens. Suppose pen, 2 pens. Okay, so when it is 1 we say singular, more than 1 we say plural. So nouns singular and plural means nouns, singular nouns means the nouns which stands for one person, animal, place or thing. For example, friend, table, book, all these are singular things. Friend, one friend. If I say friends, it is plural. Table, tables is plural, table is singular. Book, singular, only one book. Books means more than one. Then we have the plural nouns. What do you mean by plural nouns? Plural nouns stands for more than one person, animal or thing or a place. Friends, tables, books, they are plural nouns. Now, we have already studied the singulars and plurals. We know it. But there are certain rules by which we make a singular into a plural. When we convert a singular thing, a singular noun into a plural, certain rules are there. We do it automatically, but still we will discuss that. For example, the first one, we add s to most of the singular nouns. When we want to make a plural, we add s to the noun. For example, pen. 2 pens, we add s pen plus s pens. Okay, so 1 pen, 2 pens. Here, balloon plus s, we add s to most of the singular nouns. Most of the singular nouns we add s. And balloon plus s, balloons. Friend plus s, friends. Okay. Then, in case of certain nouns that end with s, x, ch or sh, we add es to it. For example, glass. For example, glass plus es, glasses. We have to add it s, glass ending in ss or x, sh or ch, fox. It is ending in s. So we have to add es, fox, s. We don't write fox, s, fox, es. So in certain cases, there is nouns that end with s, x, sh or ch, we usually add es to it. Clear? Then we have the nouns that end with y. Certain nouns which end with y. For example, party. We add ies. We drop this y, we cut this y and add ies. Party, parties. Story ends with y. In that we cut y and add ies. Stories. That is how we make plural. Then we have nouns that end in Y and a vowel is coming before that Y. The same thing that ends with Y. Here there is a speciality for this. Day. A is a vowel. In this case, T, party, it's a consonant sound. You know the vowels and consonants. A, E, I, O, U. They are the vowels. Okay. All the other letters in the alphabet are consonants. So see here, R, T. Both are consonant sounds. In that case, we add IES. But see, in the case of this one, day, valley, these are vowel sounds. Before Y, we have E, A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels. If a vowel is coming there, we will just add S to it. We don't write days, D-A-I-E-S, days. No, D-A-Y-S. That is because a vowel sound is coming before Y. So we write days, valley, E-Y, V-A-L-L-E-Y-S we say, not I-E-S. I hope it's clear. Then nouns which end in F or F-E, we change into V-E-S. For example, calf. It's ending in F. We don't say, we do say calves, but the spelling will be C-A-L, not F-S, V-E-S. C-A-L-V-E-S, calf. Calves. Knife, K-N-I-F-E. It's ending with F-E. This is ending with F. This is ending with F-E. That also we write knives, not F-S, K-N-I-V-E-S. Okay. But all the words do not follow this rule. For example, if it is chief, C-H-I-E-F, chief. Chief, E-F is coming, isn't it? We don't say C-H-I-E-V-E-S, we don't say. This we change into C-H-I-E-F-S, chiefs. Even though it ends with F, we don't use V-E-S there. Then we have another two more exceptional cases, roof and proof. Roof and proof also end with F. Roof, proof. We add S to it. Roofs, R-O-O-F-S only we say. And proof also P-R-O-O-F-S. We don't say V-E-S, we don't add. So these three are the exceptional cases in this. When the nouns end with F or F-E, we usually add V-E-S. But in these two cases, we don't do that. I hope that is clear to you. Then, some nouns which end in O. In that case, we change to ES. Buffalo, buffalo, L-O. It's ending in O. Buffalo, potato. We just add ES to it. Buffaloes, potatoes. So these are the main things that you have to remember. We add S to most of the singular nouns to make it plural. This is how we make plurals. Balloon plus S, balloons. Friend, friends. Then in case of words which end in S, X, SH or CH, we add ES to the word. Glass ending in S, we add ES, glasses. Fox, foxes. Okay, nouns that end with Y and before that Y, if it is a consonant sound. Consonant means not A-E-I-O-U. Other than that, any alphabet is coming, we use I-E-S. We cut Y and add I-E-S to it. For example, party, parties, story, stories. I hope it's clear to you. Then, if a vowel is ending with Y and before that we have S. We have a vowel, that is day. Before Y we have a vowel. A is a vowel. So in that case we don't write I-E-S, D-A-Y-S. We just add S to that. Valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y. E is a vowel, so we just add S to it. Okay, then nouns that end in F or FE, in that case also, there are some exceptions are there. Other cases we usually cut this F and add VES. If it is calf, we write calf, C-A-L-V-E-S. K-N-I-F-E, we change to K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. But these three are different. In these three cases, chief, proof and roof, we don't add VES. Instead of that, we add just FS. Chiefs, proofs and roofs, R-O-O-F-S. No, we need not change into VES. That's the rule. I hope it's clear. Then we have nouns ending in O. Buffalo, potato. In these cases, we have to add ES. Buffaloes, OES. Potatoes, OES. Okay, so you have to remember all these things. Then, one more thing. When we add this now, when we add O, there are certain exceptions in that case also. That is, if it is photo, P-H-O-T-O, photo, we don't write, even though it ends in O, we don't add ES to it. P-H-O-T-O-S is enough, photos. Like that, radio. If it is radio, R-A-D-I-O-S is enough. No need of ES. And piano, N-O. There is no need of adding ES, piano, S. P-I-A-N-O-S only required. So, keep these exceptional cases in your mind. Okay, other things you know, only the exceptional cases you have to keep in mind. Then certain singular and plurals are there. In both the cases, singular and plural both are same. So, that is for example, nouns which do not change into plural. These nouns we cannot change into plural. In plural and singular, we use the same. For example, aircraft. We don't say aircrafts. It's wrong to say aircrafts. Whether it is singular, to aircraft. That's enough. No need of telling aircrafts. Okay, singular or plural, we use aircraft itself. Then sheep. Okay, sheep means it can be used as singular and plural. Sheep, sheep itself, no change. Deer, we don't say deers. Okay, deer, deer. Fish also like that. Then we have seen fishes somewhere, but actually if variety of fishes are there, if all the fishes are same, we don't say fishes. But different variety, one angel fish, one golden fish, one another fish, like that different variety are seen in an aquarium, then we can say the fishes in the aquarium. Otherwise, if all the fish are same, if it's all golden fish, there is no need of telling fishes. We say fish only. Then some nouns are there which we use in an irregular manner. We cannot add S or ES or use it in the same way. They are called, they are not called, they are different. The plurals will be entirely different. For example, child. This is the word which most of you use it wrongly. We say childs. Give the toffee to the childs. Is it correct to say like that? No. The plural of child is children. Okay, children. Children's is not there. Okay, children apostrophe may come. That is a different thing. Okay, that we will study next class. Child, plural is children. Goose, geese. Ox, oxen. Okay, we don't say oxens or oxes. We say singular of ox, ox, and plural of that is oxen. Then mouse, mice. Man, men. Woman, women. And these are the examples. The singular and plural both will be different. So, these things you have to keep in mind when you are doing the exercise of that. Okay, now in this lesson we have A, B, C, D. 4 exercises are there, 2 to each we will do. That is the first one, A, that is circle the singular nouns and underline the plurals. First one, 2 boys were playing in the park. This is page number 27 of your grammar chest. 2 boys were playing in the park. So circle the singular noun. Which is the singular noun? Park. Circle park. And which is the plural noun? Boy, boys. So underline boys. Okay. Second one, my right foot hurts. My right foot hurts. Which is the singular or plural? Anything is the foot. Foot is the plural. Feet, foot. Foot, feet we say. So foot is singular. So foot is singular means you have to circle foot. Foot is singular. So you have to circle foot. So like that, please underline and circle the rest also. Then in exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct form of nouns. Correct form of nouns from the bracket. I have bought 2 dash from the bookstore. Book or books, 2 are there. That means singular or plural. You should think and write. Yes, books. I have bought 2 books from the bookstore. My mother is using a dash to cut the vegetable. K-N-I-F-E knife, K-N-I-V-E-S, singular plural given. My mother is using a. A means singular. So there is K-N-I-F-E. My mother is using a knife to cut the vegetables. I hope that's clear to you. The rest you can do yourself. You will get the answer key in the notes. Okay. As notes you will get. But before trying with the answer key, you should try yourself. Then C and D. C, you have to write the plural form of the nouns given in the brackets. That's very easy for you. The dash of the tree have dried up. Leaf. What is the plural of leaf? Leaves. Like that, the second one. The dash of both the houses are damaged. Damaged. Roof. What is the plural? Roofs. Please keep in mind that R-O-O-F-S only, not when I have told if it ends with F. What do you have to do? V-E-S, not R-O-O-V-E-S. The exceptional case, roof. R-O-O-F-S only needed. And the next exercise is exercise D. Exercise D, you have to just do the just opposite. That is, the words given in brackets you have to change into singular. The dash lost its way. It's given donkeys. Yes, what is the singular of donkeys? Donkey. So the donkey lost its way. Second one, the dash played in the court. It's given babies. Yes, the singular of that is baby. The baby played in the court. The rest you can do yourself. With that, we come to the end of lesson number 9. I hope all of you understood singular plurals, the rules for forming plurals. When we convert a singular into plural, what all things you should remember. I hope all of you understood. Okay, so please try to do the lesson completely. Okay, thank you.